Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We just came on here today, first of all, to wish y'all a very happy 4th of July. And that was the main reason we want to come on here to say happy 4th of July. But we decided we're going to make a stupid simple dessert because I know me and Jenny, especially when we're cooking for a big crowd or whatever, we're always looking for something that's a little bit easy to take some of the pressure off. And I know some of y'all are going to be with family and friends and stuff, and they're going to be doing the cookies and the cakes and the ice cream and all of that. So if you're trying really hard, oh, sorry, stepped on Jenny's foot. If you're trying really hard to stay on your plan, then this is an idea that I do sometimes. Jenny and I both enjoy it, and it's fresh and refreshing, and it just happens to be red, white, and blue, so it kind of fits in for the theme today. And so all it is, I've got a pretty little glass here because I want Jenny to have a pretty little glass to eat out of. But you can do this in a bowl or whatever. But this is just 3 strawberries that I've got diced up. And I'm going to put them in the bottom of the container here. Oh, Jen, I have to use your spoon to get the strawberries out. Put the strawberries in the bottom of the container here. And then I've got, this is just 2 tablespoons of blueberries because we don't want to overdo the carbs with the fruit. So you put your blueberries over your strawberries. And then this is 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Now you can do this dessert and you can do it with whipped cream. You could do it with straight heavy cream, which is a little thick for me. So I like to add the almond milk with it. You can also add a little sweetener to it if you have a low carb, 0 carb sweetener you enjoy. Jenny and I both kind of prefer it without that, but it's totally fine if you want to add some of that to this. You could also top it off with some pecans or some kind of nuts if you wanted a little crunch with it. But we're just going with the red, white, and blue theme today, and we're going to call this the red, white, and blueberry cup. So we're being silly today, y'all. We feel happy today. And so then you just take the creamy milk and you pour it over your strawberries and your blueberries. And you've got this really pretty, refreshing, cool dessert that you can have and still stay on plan. So I'm going to let Miss Jenny do a taste test here.
All right. It does look really pretty.
I know. I do like the way it looks, the colors and everything. Give it a taste.
Dun, dun, dun.
Tell the people what you think. Good.
I really like that. Mm-hmm.
I use
the heavy whipping cream. It's rich, so it feels decadent, and it doesn't feel overly sweet. Mm-hmm. And it feels fresh. It just feels light.
Yeah.
That's something I could eat outside if I'm at a 4th of July picnic and not feel guilty and like I just need to go take a nap because of the carb coma afterwards.
Because Jenny doesn't live low carb all the time, so she's not diabetic. She does good, but she, she lives with other people too. So
that really is good.
And I like it because whenever I've had this in the past and I've had a big meal, but I still want something sweet, this is really light and satisfying at the same time. So if you guys are looking for something stupid simple that'll be sweet and still stay with your theme for the 4th of July, then try this. And in the meantime, we hope you guys have a beautiful 4th of July. And we love you. Yeah. We love you. We love you. And God bless you. And God bless America. And we'll see you soon.
Stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.